welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I am doing a spring/Easter decorate with me. Now this is not going to be a super in-depth, long Easter and spring decorate with me. I kept it pretty simple. As you guys saw in my last decorate with me, I had mentioned I didn't know if I was even going to decorate for Easter, but here I am. We had a giant snowstorm, a blizzard actually, yesterday, and I decided to take that opportunity of being snowed in the house to do a little bit of decorating to keep me occupied. So I hope that you guys enjoy this little simple spring and Easter decorate with me. This is also a collaboration with my friend Heidi here on YouTube. She will be doing her spring home tour, which I am so excited to watch. I get so much inspiration from all of her videos on decorating. She also has a DIY channel, which I have actually watched for quite some time. She is just such an amazing human being. She's been so nice. I feel like when you find quality friends and people here on YouTube, it's rare, but I am just so thankful for her friendship. I will leave a link to her YouTube video and her channel along with her Instagram handle. I absolutely adore her, so make sure to go and check her out and subscribe if you are not already. Also, if you are not already following me on Instagram, please make sure to do so. The link is always in the description box down below. It's just Molly Nicole XO. I'm doing monthly giveaways for the rest of March, so make sure to head on over there if you're not already following me. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get on to decorating. Getting this decorate with me started, I wanted to show you guys what I will be working with in today's video. So here is all of my decorations that I will be trying to use. I'm not going to end up using all of them, but I do like to have everything set out so I can see what I have to work with. A lot of this stuff is from Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, and Target. I have a few things from Pier 1, but for the most part, everything is from those three stores. So unfortunately, I can't link a lot of this stuff, especially the stuff from the Target dollar spot section. But as I always say, if you guys do see something you like, make sure to run to your local store to see if you can find anything. I would love for you guys to let me know in the comments down below if you have decorated for Easter, and if you haven't, will you be decorating, or are you just going to pass on it this year? I would love to hear in the comments down below. First, we are going to start over at my coffee bar area. I'm going to be taking down all of my mugs and replacing them with my spring and Easter mugs. I love these Rae Dunn pastel mugs. Now you guys know from a few of my previous videos, or if you follow me on Instagram, I am getting rid and have gotten rid of a lot of my Rae Dunn stuff, but I am still keeping a decent amount of my mugs because they will always be my favorite. I really do enjoy them still. Then I'm just going to be replacing these floral pieces with some tulips so that it has more of the spring vibe. These are from the Target dollar spot section along with these vases. They come out with these tulips every single year, and they are some of my favorites to decorate with. Now this little area I did have quite a hard time with. I did want to put these little dimpled bunnies on top of my book stack, and I knew I wanted to use this cute cutting board that I got from the dollar spot section in Target, but I could not figure out what to do with these carrots. So once I'm done putting this into place, I will show you guys two different clips of what I came up with for the carrots. So I would really appreciate if you guys could let me know in the comments down below which one you guys think is better or looks better. If you guys have any suggestions as well, should I just completely take them away? I'm not 100% sure, but I do need your opinion. So I look forward to chatting with you guys about that in the comments. It's always so hard to capture this area in video and in photos. There is a window right next to it which makes a huge glare, so I apologize for the lighting, but hopefully you guys can see this area well enough. I wanted to again keep things simple. That is the theme of this video, but I wanted to add just a touch of Easter and spring. These cute little bunnies are from Home Goods, and you will see later in the video I have the whole little family. I have 2 little ones and 1 baby one. They are some of my favorites. I also wanted to show you guys my new plug-in air purifier. This is the Clarifion. As you guys know, we have a lot of animals in our house, so therefore I need all of the air purifying I can get with all of the dust and dander that does come and stay inside of the house. So this releases negative ions that latch onto airborne particles, in effect weighing them down so they don't stay afloat and linger in the air anymore. Clarifion is ideal for bedrooms, kitchens, and garages. All you need is a standard plug to plug it in. It is very simple. All you do is plug this into the outlet. Once the blue LED light on the top is on, it is working. So if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these plug-in air purifiers for yourself, I will have a link in the description box down below. Now we are going to move on to decorating my floating shelves. Again, the theme of this video, we are keeping things very simple. So all I am going to do is put some little bunnies right next to my canisters, and then I wanted to add some carrots, but as you can see, I kept moving these around. Ended up deciding that I did not like them at all, so I ended up taking them away. I did end up bringing in these little bunch of carrots from Hobby Lobby. I got these a few years ago. I went back recently and I didn't see them, so unfortunately I don't think they brought them back, but they fit perfect in my Rae Dunn egg cups, and I love the way that they turned out. I will also have a link to these beautiful canisters that I got from Target linked in the description box down below. I am absolutely in love with them. Moving on to the infamous Hobby Lobby shelf, I made this cute book stack to put in the middle of the shelf because I just wasn't happy with what was currently in there. I really love the way that it turned out, and I love the way that the scoop looks. So I do have a little piece of wood. It's a sign from the Target dollar spot that is just going to boost this up a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. And then I actually decided to take out the 2 signs on either side, and I'm going to be putting these cute little Easter signs that again I got from the Target dollar spot just to give it a tiny pop of Easter. I have absolutely loved keeping wreaths on these cabinets above my microwave, so I'm just going to change them out for these egg wreaths that I got from the Target dollar spot section. Surprise, surprise. I love these. I am so glad that I found them, and they look so perfect on the cabinets. Now we are going to move on to my 2-tiered stand. I love decorating these. It comes as no surprise. So this cute little colander I got from the Target dollar spot section a few years ago. These eggs also came from there. You guys will see a very big theme here. Almost everything I'm using is from the Target dollar spot, so unfortunately I will not be able to link them. But if you do see anything you like, make sure to run to your local Target. They may still have some of these items. Again, keeping things very simple, you just want to make sure to fill in any empty space and make sure that you're adding height so that it doesn't look bare or empty. These little Nomies are from Hobby Lobby, and they did bring them back this year. So again, if you do like them, make sure to go to your local Hobby Lobby here soon because they are selling out really fast. They are already sold out online. Now I am adding some lamb's ear next to the colander just to fill in some of that space. And I'm adding these white birds that I got from Marshall's. I get so many questions. And then I'm adding this pitcher with some floral to fill in the space of the back. So this is the completed two-tiered stand. I hope that you guys enjoyed me bringing back my two-tiered stand. I know you guys missed it in my last Decorate With Me. This is from Hive & Home, and I will leave a link to it in the description box down below. You guys probably already know, but this is one of my favorite tiered stands that I've ever owned. They have a ton of different ones to pick from on their website. For my kitchen island, I am simply adding this cute little bunny that I got from Kirkland's a few years ago. I'm just adding him to the center of the tray, again, just to add a little pop of Easter. Nothing too much, but I really enjoy the way that this turned out. I feel like he fits perfect. For my kitchen table, I wanted to add these cute bunnies that I got from Pier 1 years ago. These were on major sale for like $3 a piece. I really love them. I love their little flower crowns that they have on, and I just think it is the perfect little touch to my simple tablescape. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to check out Heidi's video as well. It'll be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.